I'm a junior doctor from RG Kar Medical College, and in light of the recent protests, I as a student of RG Kar would like to place our demands. Our primary demand is arrest of the culprits with proper evidence, with official press release confirming the same from the CBI. We demand written apology and order of resignation of higher authorities, namely the ex-principal of RG Kar, the MSVP, the Dean of Students Affairs, the HOD of Chest Medicine Department, and the Assistant Superintendent on duty. The HOD of Chest Medicine Department and the Assistant Superintendent on duty of the incident, and they should be barred from holding any administrative or authoritative positions in any institution for the remaining duration of their services. We demand an explanation from the Shastra Bhavan as to why the resignation of ex-principal of RG Kar MCH was not accepted and why he was reinstated in another medical college as a principal. We also demand an explanation from the Shastra Bhavan as why the ex-dean of Students Affairs of RG Kar was reinstated as the new MSVP of RG Kar Medical College. We previously stated that no amount of compensation can be made for a life lost. However, her parents should be provided with a lifelong support and adequate financial compensation by the government, and it should be announced immediately. Implementation of adequate workplace security measures, including CCTV cameras, security guards, both male and female, with special emphasis on in-campus and out-campus hostels, police picketing and patrolling, and proper on-call rooms with attached bathrooms. The Commissioner of the Police should take strict action against. The Commissioner of Kolkata Police should take strict and necessary action against the digital defamation of RG Kar students that is being circulated in the social media. He should also investigate and take actions against the circulation of the photo of the victim that is going on in the social media. And he also should take action against taking the victim's name multiple times in the social media. We also demand, in light of the recent mob attack, we would demand the resignation of current principal of RG Kar MCH and Commissioner of the Police of Kolkata, the officer in charge of Tala, and Deputy Commissioner of Police North Kolkata on their shameful response to the mob attack on the eve of Independence Day. We also demand provision of adequate security personnel in the hostel and immediate repair of all gates, doors, and other infrastructures that hinders the provision of security immediately. Having said this, our plan of action is to continue seize work of emergency and non-emergency services till our demands are met. We also would like to say that we'll stand in solidarity with the nursing staff and nursing students of RG Kar MCH and all the female staffs of RG Kar MCH in their stand for women workplace safety, and we strongly condemn the shameful tactics of the Deputy Nursing Superintendent, the Nursing Superintendent, and other higher officials attempting to hamper their support. We wholeheartedly welcome all the support we have received from the undergraduates, interns, house staffs, PGTs, nursing students, nursing staffs, assistant professors, associated professors, and professors, and HODs of all other departments, and also all the staffs of RG Kar Medical College. Thank you.